Good morning. Morning, guys. How are you? Okay, let's see. For the watch list today, okay, my watch list today is I have Tesla, Nvidia, Microsoft, and Airbnb. But the thing is, like, I made these watch lists before CPI data, but I don't see much movement after CPI, so that's a little bit weird. I was expecting like a little bit more from CPI, but let's see. Okay, let's see. Tesla. Okay, Tesla is the same level that we watched yesterday. 269, 270 is already looking pretty good. Tesla is already at 270. That's the level that we want to see Tesla holding. 270, 268. Nvidia. Nvidia is looking pretty weak. It's rejecting 450. So if tech market is weak today, we know Nvidia is the one to go for on puts. Airbnb was the other one that I was looking. Um, Again, if the market is weak, I like Airbnb because it's under yesterday's low, and with this ugly daily candle, that's a clear, very strong rejection. So under yesterday's low, with a weak market, this one is a good one to play puts. I would like to see kind of like a little bounce and retouch yesterday's low, and then play the rejection there. If not, a hold of 147.50, it's bullish, and I'll be looking to play the upside for this week fill. When I see wicks like this, I kind of treat them like gaps. So I've seen in the past how these wicks get filled. Um, what else? Microsoft. Microsoft kind of flat on the day. It's not doing much, but yesterday closed the day with an ugly, bearish engulfing candle, and it's kind of still holding this uptrend, but it's holding on a thread. So under yesterday's low, it's gonna die. This thing is gonna go way lower because it's gonna lose this uptrend. It's clear bearish continuation. So Microsoft under yesterday's low is dead. And I'm only gonna look to play Microsoft if I see tech being weak. So if I see tech being weak, it's Microsoft and Nvidia because both are weak. If the market is strong, I like Tesla. And Airbnb is already dead. So I don't see much movement after CPI. Like honestly, SPY it's kind of flat. And let's see. We want to see a SPY holding yesterday's low. That will be bullish. Under yesterday's low, it's very bearish. And same with the Q. Q holding yesterday's low as support, which is around 372.50. It's bullish. Under that, we're dying. And tag is, I think tag is weaker than like QQ is weaker than SPY. So if we see the market being weak, tag is the one to play put. If we see the market being strong, SPY is the one to play the upside, and I'll be looking to play Tesla. Morning, morning. Yeah, CPI didn't do anything, so the all the charts that I post today are still very valid. So if you are on my Discord, you had what's my watch list for today and what are the levels that I'm watching and what I'm watching for upside and which ones are watching for the downside. I was expecting a big move with CPI, but I don't see any change. So we're still having the same levels. Oh, welcome. Thank you. Okay, okay. Let's see. Air Airbnb is already dead. I hate when that happens. Okay, Tesla looks like it's doing a 3-bar play to the downside. If loses this 268 support. We'll see. We kind of want to see Tesla holding here, but I need kind of I need a bullish candle. This is a bullish candle. So it looks like maybe we're going higher. Maybe. SPY is looking bullish. And the Q too. Damn. Okay, Tesla. Tesla is the one that I'm gonna play. Uh, calls on Tesla. So now I need kind of like a pullback with Tesla. And I'm playing this upside here on ES. I'm sorry, NQ. But I only could get like a few contracts because it ran too fast. Yeah, only got 4 micros. And I'm already up 700. Yeah, the market is pretty bullish, but I need for options I need like to play Tesla, I need some consolidation here. I need a at least a pullback to pre-market high or some consolidation, a bull flag or something like that. Yeah. This thing ran too fast. But be careful because Apple is looking weak. Apple is looking weak. I'm getting Apple 175 puts. I like that rejection on 177. Let's see, let's see. Yeah, remember to like the video, like. Mm, 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 mm. My stop loss on Apple is gonna be if can break this morning high. I don't know, it's weird because Q and Aspire are looking pretty bullish, but Apple is very weak. Yeah, I'm in Apple puts. I'm gonna put Apple here. I missed Tesla, so Tesla is not giving me a pullback. This is why I like Apple puts. Apple, it couldn't go to 170, this level here that I have, 177.78, and I like this reaction. And my stop loss is this morning high. Okay, 800. I do think SPY is pretty bullish, but I don't know. Okay, okay, I'm starting to lock some profits here. I only have one runner on each account now. I don't play IPOs. IPOs. I don't play IPOs. Okay, I'm all out now. That was like $100 there, 700 around there. Apple is very weak, so I'm expecting the market to at least pull back. Tesla is crazy strong, crazy. It's not giving me a pullback. But I do like my Apple puts. Yeah. Those are up 12% almost. Let's see how. Okay, so ES is looking bullish also. If we get a pullback here in SPY and the Q can hold pre-market high, that's pretty bullish. But yeah, but I do love my Apple put so far. As long as it's under the VWAP and INMA, it's bearish. How you guys doing so far? It's weird. It's weird because the Q and SPY are going up, but Apple is not. So it's weird. Nice. Yeah, I missed Tesla. Tesla moves so fast. I missed that one, sadly. Damn, the Q is crazy strong. I want to see some consolidation so I can enter anything. What's Nvidia doing? Yeah, Nvidia. I think it's fighting that 453 level again. Yeah. Meta. Yeah, I will not try Meta unless it breaks 310 and use it as support with Meta. It's been like too choppy to trade. Extremely choppy. Meta is like doing nothing here on between is pinpointing here. Pinpointing here. I don't like Meta. Microsoft is kind of the same as Meta. It keeps like bouncing from like 331 and then rejecting 335, and it's a mess. Mm, okay, so let's see. Um, okay, we're getting a pullback. So with this pullback, we want to see if we're gonna hold the VWAP as support. So it's just a pullback or it's just a fake out, or if it is a fake out. Tesla looks like a 3-bar play that I missed. Very clean 3-bar play. Well, not so much because this the second bar it's kind of ugly, but it's still like if can break this level here, this 274, 275, it's gonna go to 280, at least at 279 again. But I think Tesla wants to go to 280. Yeah, Airbnb puts overnight looks good, but right now Airbnb is not doing much, but it's having trouble around 147. So if you're in puts, you want to see Airbnb keep like being under yesterday's low. In fact, I kind of like Airbnb for a put play right now. I think it's a good let's do a Airbnb put. I think it's a good risk to reward there. Like pretty good. Yeah, I'm gonna go 146. As long as it's under yesterday's low, it's pretty bearish. Tesla is crazy strong. Like so far the market looks bullish, but I don't know. Like it's pretty bullish. Like the Q is holding above like pre-market high. I would like to see it back down to pre-market high, honestly. SPY is kind of stuck here, but it's still above pre-market high, which is bullish. But we have this resistance here that it looks like it's having a little bit of trouble. If you can break this resistance, like if you can break 447 and use it as support, it's very bullish. But yeah, Apple is dead. If NQ loses 372.50, like yesterday's low, I'm gonna play the downside on futures. So far I'm only on Apple puts and Airbnb puts. It's kind of weird because I'm going against the market, but I was expecting like a better move. I don't know, at least a gap up or something like that. But again, the SPY and the Q are looking pretty bullish so far. I'm gonna play this SPY kind of little hole flag there with micros. I only got 3 per account, so it's a very, very, very small play. The SPY needs to break this resistance here. but it's having trouble there. I think to play the upside, it's better NQ than SPY because NQ looks stronger. Airbnb is dying. I think we're good. Like, yeah, I really, really like this Airbnb play. I mean, it's from like HS Remember Me, but I had it on my watch list, so I like this one. Um, if it held 151 and under 147.50, I was looking for more downside, and that's why I'm playing Airbnb puts. The market keeps being very weak, so um, I think that's what is dragging the market down. I'm sorry, Apple. Apple is being very weak, so I think that's what it's driving the market down. If the SPY loses like this support here, which is the VWAP, 90 MA, and pre-market high, I'm gonna get out. Let's see. Yeah, I'm out. But Airbnb and Apple puts killing it. I don't like the upside, honestly, right now. I don't like the upside plays. I don't know. I may be wrong, looking for more downside, but I don't know. I don't love it. So how are you guys so far? What are you guys playing? Damn, Airbnb did. What percentage do you had on Airbnb from that swing trade? That was a great call. Getting a swing put on Airbnb because this daily candle was so ugly and it had so much trouble with this resistance here. Okay, guys. 372.50 is the level that I'm watching on the queue. It loses 372.50 like yesterday's low and use it as support. I'm sorry, as resistance. That's my entry for um to play the downside. You guys can play QQQ. I'm gonna play it on futures. But yeah, 28%. Like why I wouldn't be on Apple? Like, mm, remember to take some profits on the way down. I don't need to tell you that. You guys need to know, like, you guys, um, we need to take profits. Okay, that's a good move, to the upside with the Q. Like, I kind of want to play calls, like, the upside here, but we'll see. I don't know. Like, the market is holding, but it's kind of looking weak. But we're holding VWAP and INEMA. So I'm gonna play this hold here on NQ micros. Ooh, I think it ran without me. Okay, I'm gonna start small here. Give me another pullback here. Nvidia is using 450 as support, but Nvidia is one that I can run. Yeah, SPY and the Q both holding pre-market high. I'm sorry, yeah, pre-market high. That's bullish. That's pretty bullish. 'So I'm up 33% on Airbnb. I'm taking some profit here because why not? It looks very bearish. I'm sorry, very bearish, but it is good to take profits. It's 33% now. $41 now. Yeah, my PT is 143. Like this support here. I got more there on this pullback here. I think as long as we're holding pre-market high as support, we're bullish. Also, Apple is kind of holding. But we need SPY to break this resistance here. So we need the Q to hold here. Yeah, it's extremely late. Yeah. The play on Airbnb was to play this rejection. Right now it will be chasing. And it's too far from the 90 MA and the VWAP, so you can definitely have a like bounce here. The key for a good like setup is having a good entry. That way your risk to reward is good. If you have a bad entry, your stop loss is too far, you're gonna uh, the probabilities of you losing money are higher with a bad entry. So you just gotta be patient and wait for a next good setup. That good setup that I see right now, it's Nvidia. If we can keep holding 450, Nvidia is holding 450. So if you see the market like holding here and we're gonna go higher, Nvidia is gonna keep going higher. Damn, what happened to Netflix? Why Netflix is dying? Ooh, 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 ooh. We need to hold here. The Q needs to hold here. Otherwise, it's done so. Gonna get out soon. Let's see how this 5-minute candle is gonna close. Bye. That is not good. Okay, so next trade, 372. Don't tell me you fake me out. Okay, 372.50. I'm down 467 on futures today. I'm up in options on Airbnb and Apple. Okay, so we're rejected here. SPY is looking ugly. Okay, guys, 375. I'm sorry, 372.50. That's the level to watch. Are we gonna use it as resistance or as support? But I find it weird that after CPI, we're still like not with a clear trend. Like I was expecting a clear trend today. My target, the first one is here, like 173.27, because I kind of see around here like a little support here, like this level. Let's just go with this kind of like a support level that I see. But Airbnb is so weak that if the market keeps going lower, like if the market like loses the support, Airbnb can go to 142 or even like 139. We'll see. I'm gonna manage this one like on the way, how it goes. Okay, so that's pretty bearish. I wanna see like a strong break of 372.50 and then use it as a board. And the same with the SPY. SPY 440 like 445.50. That's another level. Okay, I got there. Got in because even though the Q is it was kind of holding here, Apple is extremely weak. So I have 42 contracts on micros. Yes, Apple is very, very weak. So I think that's gonna pull down the Q. Yeah, I know we have PPI tomorrow. I don't like how Google it's been moving lately. I think I should have waited for like this candle to close and see if it was like a real break of this level here. But I like it because Apple is very, very weak. But I don't like that bounce there. Let me see. Mm, I got to stop out on a few contracts on the smallest account because I have some accounts that I have like a tighter stop loss. Okay, so are we gonna break this? That's the question today. Okay. I feel like right now nothing is moving. Like Apple is not moving, the Q is moving a little bit, but I feel like the market is kind of like stuck. 100 people here and only 50 likes. That is no bueno. Okay, just move. Apple, just move. It's doing nothing. Mm-mm-mm. If the Q bounce here, we're just gonna have like a very choppy market today. And this is like my last trade. I'm pretty happy with Airbnb and Apple. Like, I don't know. I cannot say anything right now because I will not say to enter Airbnb right now. It's too late, guys, for Airbnb. It's extremely late for Airbnb. Look, this entire move, what Airbnb did. Like, a bounce here is highly, like, it's very probable that we're gonna have a bounce here on Airbnb. So it's extremely late for Airbnb. The only good trade that I see is like the Q losing these threes and this level here where it is right now. Under yesterday's low, that's the play. That's it. That's the only play that I see right now. But we want like a strong break here. Apple is dying, so that might help my Q play. Yeah, come on, just move. Just die. Yeah. And if you are on Airbnb with me, take some profit because it's at support. 174 is like my PT on Apple, like the main one, and then it's around, let's see, 172 maybe. under 174 it can go to 173.50 and then 172. Are we gonna have that today? I don't know. So far it's looking ugly. mm, yeah, if you got a good feel. I put it a I didn't put like a market order, I put a limit order and I got feel on Airbnb. Apple is just dead. Okay, I'm up 50% on Apple. And on Airbnb, I'm up 68%. Yeah, 62% on Apple. Took a little bit more profits there. Okay, so we gotta watch here because the SPY is about to lose. If loses 455, it's gonna lose the uptrend, this big uptrend that it has here. So let's see. The next support like it's around 442.70, 443 on SPY. If loses 445. I don't know when, but I said it here. Like I don't know what time, but I called it out here when I was entering Airbnb. Okay, so Apple is at 174. That's my PT. So from here now, you guys do whatever you want with that Apple Play. That's my Apple just hit my PT. So you guys do get like up more than 50%. So you guys can do whatever you want here. Yeah, it was today. Okay, I'm all out on Apple. Damn, what was that? We can have a bounce here, but we'll see. I want to see the Q rejecting here, but I don't know if he's gonna do it because Apple is bouncing. Apple could bounce here. 5 minutes. We'll see. And the same with Airbnb. Airbnb has support. You guys had very good gains, so do whatever you want from here with Airbnb. I'm all out on Airbnb also. So yeah, pretty good. Pretty good day. At least with options, not so much with features today. Features, I'm just waiting to see if we're gonna keep rejecting here or we're gonna go back up and use it as support. So that's what I'm waiting for futures. Yeah, no problem, David. And welcome back because I haven't seen you in a while. Damn. Bye. What? It's not? What the heck? Okay. These freaking futures didn't stop me out, but yeah, now I'm out. So yeah. Futures not too good. No bueno. Options awesome. um but yeah, I'm pretty good with the day today. So um I'm done here. Yeah, done for the day. Yeah, I think the market might go up now that it Apple is at 174 and the Q came back to one and hold the support here. So we might go back or we just chop around the entire day. But yeah, the trade was that Airbnb and Apple put early morning. But when you start seeing move like this fast move like that, it's just it's not good to trade when you have like crazy move like that. So um yeah, guys, I'm done for the day. Pretty happy with my options trade, not so much with my futures, but um, I got in in futures here with seeing I have 21 contracts because I like how the Q is holding 372.50 and Apple is holding 174. So, but yeah, I'm done here. We don't need to keep like trading options. We're more than good with Airbnb and Apple Play. So, yeah, pretty nice morning. We're done early. If you make money with Apple and Airbnb, just get out. Don't stay on your computer because you're gonna keep trading. You're gonna keep trading. So let me like end this stream with these. Okay, I'm 1200. I'm gonna start. I'm 1200 up. I'm gonna start selling here. Only one runner. And I'm done. Yay! It's only 10:27, so 1 hour of trading and we're done. So 1 hour of trading, we're done for the day. See you guys tomorrow. Thank you for being here. Bye.